Hi dear students, welcome to our channel. Here we are going to discuss about relations and functions. We are in that exercise 2A. We'll finish it today in this session, the complete exercise with solutions. If x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, then find x and y. This is related to ordered pairs, equal ordered pairs. Yeah. First, the question is, these two ordered pairs are equal. Whenever the ordered pairs are equal, their first elements are equal, second elements are equal. So first, given x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Now equating x, the first elements in the ordered pair, and equating second elements in the ordered pair. So that implies x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. So that implies x by 3 equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. So x by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 after taking LCM. So both the denominators we can cancel it. So x is equal to 2. Now come to here, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 bring this side. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So which is equal to 3 by 3. So y equal to 1. Therefore, the values of x and y, the values of are 2 and 1. This is the way we can do it. Next, if the set A has 3 elements and the set B has 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. So here, given A has 3 elements means n of A equal to 3, and B set is given 3, 4, 5. So that means the cardinality of the set B is n of B. N of B is equal to 3. So they are asking to find the number of elements in A cross B. Therefore, n of A cross B is equal to n of A into n of B, formula, dear students. So n of A equal to 3 into n of B is also 3. Therefore, n of A cross B equal to 9. So the number of elements in the Cartesian product of A and B is 9. I hope you understand. We'll move to next question. question number 3. If G equal to 7 comma 8 and H is equal to 5 comma 4 comma 2, find G cross H and H cross G. Next, question number 4. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. So we will write it the first one. If P equal to M comma N and Q equal to N comma M, then P cross Q is equal to M comma N, N comma M. Second one, if A and B are non-empty set, then A cross B is a non-empty set of ordered pairs x comma y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B. Third one, if A equal to capital A, set of 1 comma 2 and B equal to set of 3 comma 4, then A cross B intersection phi is equal to phi. So these three statements, whether it is correct or not, we have to decide, dear students. So in what way the first statement is correct, in what way the second statement is correct. We need to give the proper information. See, first question, anyway, third one, G cross H. So G cross H. So first 7 comma 5, 7 comma 4, 7 comma 2. Next 8 comma 5, 8 comma 4, 8 comma 2. This is about G cross H. Next H cross G. So from here to here, 5 comma 7, 5,8, 4,7, 4,8, 2,7, 2,8. Just they are asking to find G cross H, H cross C, but we have to decide whether it is equal or not, the cross product of two sets. By observing the data, clearly G cross H is not equal to H cross G, but the cardinality n of G cross H is equal to n of H cross G. Asrita, you already joined, no? Whether it is correct or not, you already studied about this. Okay. Once you recheck. So this statement, this n of G cross H is equal to n of H cross C. But the cross product is not equal. Come to the question number 4. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. So first statement according to the question number 4. P equal to m comma n and q equal to n comma m. So P cross q, it is given, and given P cross q as m comma n, n comma m. But P cross q is equal to m comma n, n comma m, n comma n, n comma m. This is about P cross q, but this given statement is wrong, no? Therefore, P cross q ordered pair m comma n, n comma m is false. I hope you understand. Come to the question, statement number 2 in question number 4. If A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is a non-empty set. Absolutely. So A and B are non-empty sets. Then A cross B is also not non-empty sets. Of ordered pair x comma y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So we can write it like this. A cross B is equal to, indirectly the statement I am writing to students. X belongs to A and y belongs to B. Anyway, it is not empty set, non-empty sets. This statement is true. This is true. Simply you can write it. This statement is true. Now come to the statement 3. What about the statement 3? A equal to 1 comma 2, B equal to 3 comma 4. So first find out B intersection 5. So B means 3 comma 4. Intersection null set. Nothing element will be there in this. So what is the common element in this? 3 comma 4 intersection null set. Null set is common. So A cross B intersection 5, that is equal to A cross null set or A cross 5. A cross 5 is equal to 5. This is also true. This is true. This statement. So out of these 3 given statements, first statement is false, second statement true, and third statement is also true. Yeah, we'll move to other set of questions. Question number 5. If a equal to minus 1 comma 1, then find a cross a cross a. Question number 6. If a cross b is equal to a comma x, a comma y, b comma x, b comma y, find a and b. Next, question number 7. Let a equal to 1 comma 2 and b equal to 3 comma 4. Write a cross b. How many subsets will a cross b have? List them and try to write all the elements, whatever they are asking to provide. See, a equal to minus 1 comma 1. First a cross a, write it here. A equal to minus 1 comma 1. Again a is minus 1 comma 1. So first calculate a cross a. So a cross a equal to minus 1 comma 1. Next minus 1 comma 1. Next 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1. Later a cross a cross a. This element with first element. So minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. Next minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Next 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. Next minus 1 comma 1 comma 1 minus 1 comma 1 comma 1 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 along this element with this element 1 comma 1 comma 1. So total 8 elements are there. This is about A cross A cross A. This is not ordered pair, this is ordered triad. So here A cross B is given. Given A cross B equal to A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y. In that, the first elements you have to write it as one set. So A set from this, from the above, A equal to A comma B. First elements we write it as A. Second element B equal to XY. XY means you have to write any one of the time. Insert the repetition is not allowed. So X comma Y. This is the only thing from A cross B. Later, given A equal to 1 comma 2 and B equal to 3 comma 4. So first write down A cross B. So 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. Next 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. How many elements it contains? So n of A cross B is equal to 4 elements. How many subsets will have A cross B? The number of subsets. The number of subsets of A cross B are 2 power n of A cross B. That is equal to 2 power 4, that is equal to 16. What are they? List them, they said. So how to list these? So one by one we will write it. First, empty set, empty set. This is a set now. Empty set and itself is also a set. So out of 16, 2 completed. Next, singleton sets. 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Next, 2 elements in one set. 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. Next 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3. Next 1 comma 3, 2 comma 4. One comma 4, 2 comma 3. Next 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4. Next 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. 2 elements completed. Next 3 elements. 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 2 comma 3. One comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4. Next, leave them this. One comma 3, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, and 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So the total list, then they said no. These are the list. The 16 elements are there, which are subsets of A cross B, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move to other question. This is the way slowly you can find out. Next question number 8. Let A and B two sets such that n of A equal to 3 and n of B equal to 2 if x comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1 are in A cross B, find A and B where x, y and z are distinct elements. So question number 9. The Cartesian product. A cross A has 9 elements among which are found -1, 0 and 0, 1. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. So these are the question, dear students. So in what way you can calculate? N of A, N of B is given and some elements are there. We can find A and B sets. That is one category question. And another one, A cross A is given and elements are -1, 0 and 0, 1. So we can find out A set. Later we can find all the elements. See how we are going to find. So given n of A equal to 3 and n of B equal to 2. Next, from the given data, if this value are in A cross B, that means given ordered pairs x comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1 belongs to A cross B. Whenever these elements belongs to A cross B, the set of first elements, so that means x comma y comma z belongs to first set and 1 comma 2 comma 1, only 1 is repeating, no, only one time you have to write it. 1 comma 2 belongs to second set B. Therefore, from this what we are observing, the set A containing the elements x, y, z and the set B containing only 1 and 2 elements. They are asking to find the sets A and B. We got it. Hence, from this information, I hope you also understand that. We'll move to this one. The Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, among which, so given data is what? Given A cross A has 9 elements. That is, n of A cross A is equal to 9 elements. In that 9 elements, 2 elements are belongs to. So, and also given minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 belongs to A cross A. That implies first elements minus 1 comma 0 belongs to A set similarly, and second element 0 comma 1 also belongs to A. From this we conclude that the set A contains minus 1, 0 and 1. So what are the elements? Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. A is having the elements minus 1, 0, 1. Therefore they are asking to find A cross A. Other than these elements means first you calculate A cross A, then we can find out A students. A is equal to minus 1, 0, 1 no. So first minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 0, next minus 1 comma 1, next 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1, next 1 comma minus 1, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, no need to write. Why? Because it is already there. We will verify later. 0 comma 0 twice it is. 1 minute, dear students. So these two completed. Means 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1 completed. Next 1 comma minus 1. Next 1 comma 0, sorry. 1 comma 0. Next 1 comma 1. So these are the 9 elements. Minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Except underlined elements, remaining all are remaining elements. Therefore, the remaining elements of A cross A are, you have to write it on other than underlying terms. Minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 1, next 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma 0, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. Okay dear students, I hope you understand. One more question, it is there, that is the last question in this session. As it may chances to ask that 4 marks question. It contains in the coming days continuously I have to complete it. I am going to complete that mathematics paper AP intermediate first year syllabus. I am going to finish it within 2-3 months. All the topics. Be ready, dear students. With that, it will help for improvement also. In the coming days, improvement exams anyway there. Now you finished. In second bit, question number 1. let A contains 1, 2 elements, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Next C contains 5, 6 and D 5, 6, 7, 8. Verify that. The first question. A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Second one, A cross C is a subset of B cross D. So they are asking to verify whether the two things are right or not. Yes, we will verify that. So first given sets A equal to 1, 2, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, C equal to 5, 6 and D equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. So to prove the first one, we need to calculate B intersection C, A cross B, A cross C. Okay. First, I am going to calculate B intersection C. B intersection C means first B set we have to write it. 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection C set 5, 6. Is there any common elements in this B set and C set? No, there is no common elements. So B intersection C is null set. No elements are common. Next, find out A cross B. So A and B is there, no? So we can find out A cross B. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Next 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. So A cross B completed. Next A cross C. A and C. A cross C equal to 1, 5. Next 1, 6. 2, 5. 2, 6. So A cross C also completed. Now next B cross D also calculate, your students. B cross D. After that we will verify. So B cross D means B set and D set. 1, 5. 1, 6. Next 1, 7, 1, 8. 2, 5. 2, 6. 2, 7. 2, 8. Next 3, 5. 3, 6. 3, 7. 3, 8. Next 4, 5. 4, 6. 4, 7. 4, 8. So B cross D is also over. Later we will verify the first one. Question number 1. A cross B intersection C. So A is what? 1, 2. Cross B intersection C. What is B intersection C? Null set. 1, 2 cross product with null set is equal to null set. What happened, dear students? This is LHS in the first question, LHS. So this is equation number 1. Now A cross B intersection A cross C or HS value. A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B, A cross C. See, 1, 1, no element is there. 1, 2, there is no common. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. So there is no common element. So which is also equal to 5. So from 1 and 2, what we observe that? From 1 and 2 we conclude that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Now come to the question number 2. Roman letter 2. A cross C is a subset of B cross D. See how to prove that any sum of the elements A cross C, B cross D. Clearly 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6 are also belongs to B cross D. Whenever the elements of A cross C belongs to B cross D, then the elements of A cross C clearly these are also belongs to B cross D. Then A cross C is subset of B cross D. Therefore, A cross C is a subset of B cross D. This is the way you can prove, dear students. We conclude that. So till here we have finished the exercises of exercise 2A. We finished. Now in coming classes we finish 2B and 2C also. Based on my free time, I will come to the sessions. Thank you, dear students, for watching our channel. Those who are watching first time, please like and share. It reaches to more people. Thank you all.